Neurological conditions can affect many areas of your life, including physical changes to the body, the way you socialise, experience emotion, and complete day-to-day tasks.
These hints and tips can help you to live a more independent life. You might need to watch the video multiple times and with a family member, friend, or someone who supports you to help you achieve this. If you've experienced difficulties with your memory, strength, grip, and coordination,
this video demonstrates how using a mobile phone, wall planner, chopping and buttering board, wide grip potato peeler, adapted knife, cooking basket, kitchen timer, and cupboard labels can help you work in the kitchen. Most modern phones allow you to set an alarm with a reminder that appears at a time you choose. For instance, this alarm says, "Go and check the meal planner on the kitchen wall." A meal planner displayed in the kitchen is a useful tool to remind you what you've planned to cook each day.
once you've checked your planner, you can use a range of aids to help you prepare your lunch.
The spikes on the chopping board help keep food still. If holding regular kitchen utensils is difficult, then using wide grip tools such as this peeler can help. A knife with an adapted handle can make it easier to cut items of food. Using a cooking basket helps you to transfer food easily. You can set the kitchen timer to let you know when the food is cooked. When your food is cooked, simply lift the basket out of the pan, leaving the hot water to cool safely. Cupboard labels can remind you where things are. After covering the spikes on the board, the raised corners on the board can help to keep bread still whilst you butter. The board also has suction pads to keep it stable on the worktop, making the task much more controlled if you have tremors, weakness or coordination problems. The adapted knife can be used for all types of cutting.
You can find the items featured in this video, including mobile phones, specialised chopping and butter boards, wide grip peelers, adapted knives, cooking baskets, and kitchen timers, online using an internet search engine and shops that specialise in independent living. Weekly planners are available to download from our website. If you need help getting these, ask a family member, friend, or clinician for support.
To help you to stay independent with a neurological condition, more videos, information, and useful resources can be found on our website.